Alright, so today we are going to be installing the RGBIC Pro LED strip lights. Let's see how easy it is to put on. Alright, so this is powered by Hey Google, and it also works with Alexa. It's about 32 feet, 32.8 feet. Alright, check this out. Comes with a manual. Light strips. This is the external plug that it comes with. It just says a G. Alright. Say that it comes that it connects to Wi-Fi and it syncs to music is the strip lights and this remote. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, let's see what these buttons do. This one changed the modes, different colors. Oh, so cool. Okay, so what's this other button do? Oh, these are all solids. Okay, and the third button, oh, that's to just shut it off and on. Okay. I like that one. But it looks cool when it's wrapped up. What happens if it's not wrapped up? So this is not a remote. This is actually on the phone. So let's scan it. Where is it? Let's scan it. Now this is the Galaxy Fold that I'm installing it into. Okay, now that I've installed the app, let's see if it works. It tells you right there, H619 sync. So I'm gonna be scrolling down to H619 sync, 619 sync. Once it is connected, right now it's connected to music, and I can change the sensitivity. Party time! The lights do come with adhesive, controller, remote right in the back, and the back of the strips. All right, let's glue this to the wall. The corners are a bit to get in there. There's this little connection right there of the metals. I'm gonna cut it after. It doesn't say that I can cut it, but let's find out. The moment of truth. Yes. Okay, now let's take one more look at it. All right, shut the lights. Blue, solids, life, dance. Wow. No. Oh. This is what the RGBIC Pro lights look like. Okay, this I'm using it with my setup. RGB Light Pro, 32 feet, works with Google and Alexa. And this is the setup once you get the app. It looks so sweet. You can get this RGBIC Pro at the description on Amazon right below. So hope you like this video. Or you can tuck the lights right under the panels and you get this look. All right, now we are going to be installing foam pads for my wall to get rid of the echo. So with those with the instructional package, I gotta open the package, then I gotta soak it. I gotta soak the foam in water. I have to wait for it to dry. I have to throw it in the dryer Okay, then I put the adhesive on and then I glue it on the wall. I can't believe I gotta get these things wet. There's so many of them. Okay, how thick they're getting already. All right, I need to dry them. Now I haven't been using the Command brand damage-free hanging. Double-sided, it's like Velcro. And I take these, I put it together like this. Then I take the scissors, I cut it in half, and then I take 4 and I glue them there to hold up against the wall. They've been holding up pretty good. That's how I have these panels on with the double adhesive on the other side. They just stick to the wall so much better. And now I have them all up against the wall, okay? And this side I have a little decorative design because I have some extra, but I just need it to a little bit above my head. So when I sit down, I'm like face value right here, so it doesn't echo as much. And now, oof, I got a whole entire wall like this. It looks really straight with this. Straight lines, straight lines, straight lines, straight lines. Now this took me a long time. All right, it took me a couple of hours, but echo, 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 echo,